as AI is concerned, today it is in discussion everywhere. And if you look at this AI has started affecting, it has started creating an impression. There are many positive impressions, and there are certain negative uh, impressions as well. Like Google has cut some 5,000 jobs, or Microsoft has laid off this much. But in totality, if we look at one thing, I can say without an iota of doubt that AI is going to be the future. And as far as the access equipment industry is there, this is still new. There are many challenges, but yes, there is very much possibility. So what I have done, I have made a very small, quick presentation, right? Just to uh, just to give that impression what I am going to talk about, what I am going to cover, right? Right. And in fact, the reality is that there is not much of information available. I think a lot of information has been gathered through AI only for this, right? Topic is already shared. So what I am going to talk about, what are the areas where AI can be used and what benefit it can give. And for that, what hardwares or equipments or what changes we have to make. So firstly, I think if you ask that why there should be I think as far as India is concerned, especially the construction equipment sector, we want to make it more efficient. We want it to more, we want it to be safer. And the most important thing, what is coming is the sustainability part of it. So in the last slide, I will cover about the battery operated machines, environmental friendly machines, and how it is going to reduce the carbon footprints. So if we talk about smart access equipment, I think this term is first coined by mobile phone industry, where this when this touch screen has come. So similarly, we can also think of, or the future is rather of a smart access equipment. So if you look at the smart access equipment, it is our machine is a mechanical machine. So how we are integrating them with an artificial intelligence system. So from machine to intelligence systems, and based on the outputs, we can make some adjustment which is going to enhance the and safety and efficiency or productivity. So this is how, if you look the flow, it is the KPIs, trends, utilizations, heat maps, right? Of course, I will park the software part of it, but coming to the sequence. So first thing, what needs to be done? We need to collect data. So for that, most of the machines, right? Most of the machines, they have their own machine intelligence system, right? Machine intelligence system, if you look at the evolution of this intelligence system, machine intelligence system has been there for a very long time. Like it has started with NC machines, then CNC machines, then machines, they have their own memory. So first thing is to collect the data, then analyze those data, and then predict what will be the outcome. So for any machine monitoring, these are the three steps. First is the collecting data, analyze those matrices, and then predict the outcomes. So for that, I think what needs to be done? Firstly, the machine intelligence system has to be integrated with a central server. Like machine has a data, maybe I think 50-60% of the machines, like Ultra Boom, Big Booms, Spider Lift, they already have some software built into that. And machine has some data, it has some memory as. So machine should have a telematics and a cloud system. So once you have a cloud systems, once you have the telematic, it will integrate the machine intelligence system with the central server system. So once we have those data, what we can do, let us. So which are the two areas where it can really make a difference? First is the maintenance part, like it can analyze what are the failures, what is the life it is getting from a particular component, whether it is a hose or whether it is a particular component, if it is failing, when it is failing. So all these things can, it will identify the failure signature, it can compile all those failures, and it can store those data. It can also tell you that this will be the proactive maintenance, or what we call it basically preventive maintenance. So at the end, the outcome will be the extend the machine lifespan. This machine effective or optimal life will increase. Then another area where it can work, that is basically the safety part of it. Safety part in the sense, there is a procedure, or there is uh, a method already shared by the manufacturer. Okay, this is the way it should operate. Like you can see in this basket, a person is standing, and I think he's not, his posture is not correct. He is holding a mobile phone. So once you have a sensor there, and these data can be captured, transmitted through telematics to the central server, and it can immediately tell the operator that your posture is not correct, you are not standing in the right way, and immediately you should take the action. So one part is, it will increase the machine life. It will help you in giving you a better maintenance. And second is the machine operations. This is one part I have captured, but it can be used in many ways. And uh, finally, we can even, it can help us in designing some modular component. If I am finding that a particular component is wearing out only in this portion, or only a particular side is affected, why don't make a modular thing? Only that area that is wearing out fast, or that is damaging fast, I think that should be replaced. Then refurbishing, recycling, reusing, all these things AI can help us. And finally, we can do the life cycle tracking, like how the machines spare parts consumptions during initial time, in the middle, in the end. Another most important thing, like as there is a lot of focus, and rightly so, on environment. So now the battery operated machines or hybrid machines, they are getting more place. So here AI can monitor what is the total carbon dioxide emissions, what is the total carbon footprint, is it in line or is it exceeding, right? So these all things we can monitor, right? So at the end, I think the most important thing what is going to cover, and which is more relevant in Indian context, that is the compliance and safety. So to end up, this is built for Indian job site, and we aim that it should be an Indian intelligence. Right. Thank you.